In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to turn on Instagram sleep mode. This helps improve sleep quality by reducing distractions and limiting notifications, which can otherwise interfere with winding down. To enable sleep mode, simply head to Instagram. On your profile page, tap onto these three lines to access your settings. Now inside this section of how to use Instagram, select notifications. Head to sleep mode. Make sure to enable this option. You want to set the start time for sleep mode to activate. Then also when it should turn off. You will also choose on date sleep mode should activate. Once done, tap on save. By preventing late night scrolling, it ensures a restful night's sleep, leading to improved energy and focus the next day, ultimately boosting productivity and well-being. Well, that's how easy it is to enable sleep mode on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.